Hey there folks! Today we're going to talk about how to insert primrose oil into the cervix. Primrose oil is sometimes used to help prepare the cervix for labor. But it's important to note that you should always consult with your healthcare provider before trying any home remedies during pregnancy. What you will need. Before we get started, here's what you will need. Primrose oil capsules. You can find these at most health food stores or pharmacies. Latex gloves. It's important to keep things clean. Towel or pad to catch any drips. A comfortable position. Find a comfy spot where you can relax. Step 1. Wash your hands. Start by washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water. This will help prevent any unwanted infections. Step 2. Put on gloves. Wearing latex gloves is essential to maintain hygiene during the process. Step 3. Find a comfortable position. Choose a position that feels comfortable for you. Many people prefer lying down with their knees bent or propped up on pillows. Step 4. Open the primrose oil capsule. Take a primrose oil capsule and carefully pierce it with a clean needle or a sterile pin. Make sure to do this gently to avoid any sharp edges. Step 5. Insert the oil. Now, with clean hands and wearing gloves, gently insert the pierced capsule into your vagina. Push it as far as your finger can comfortably reach. The primrose oil will start to melt and release its contents. Step 6. Stay relaxed. After inserting the capsule, stay in your comfortable position for about 30 minutes to allow the oil to absorb. You may want to place a towel or pad under you to catch any drips. Once the 30 minutes are up, you can remove the gloves and clean up any excess oil. You might experience some discharge, which is normal. Remember, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before trying any natural remedies during pregnancy. They can provide you with personalized advice based on your specific situation. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and take care.